Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at the first annual 2026 What the Huck? And we've got ourselves what is without a doubt one of the most unusual planes I've seen. This gentleman has taken two aircraft, put them together to make two 3D airplanes combined. And I am just blown away. We're in for a special treat. So folks, sit back, relax. Tray tables in the upright position. Captain has turned on the no smoking sign. Please put your phones on airplane mode and enjoy the flight. Folks, I was chatting with the pilot. He calls it the Yakety Yak. I love this hobby. I swear to God, what a great hobby. All right, folks, sit back, relax. He's going to get this thing going in just a second. Folks, we may have to drop the audio out there playing copyrighted music, and I'm sorry. YouTube has very strict guidelines, so I do apologize for that. Folks, I'm going to try to talk over the music. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to drown it out so you can at least have some audio. Saw this and I just thought, wow, this is crazy. He's got two smoke systems on there, folks. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness, folks. Oh, my goodness. Stay with us, folks. Crash coverage continues here at Plain Fun RC. Oh, my goodness. Well, I tell you, folks, that's the sad part of this whole hobby is when it goes down and we lose something that we absolutely love. But stay with us, folks, as we continue our crash coverage here at What the Huck 2026. Well, folks, at least you got to enjoy a very unique airplane before it went down. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Wound up in the soybeans, you never know. Maybe they cushioned it. Definitely better than going in corn. Corn can really tear an airplane apart. You wouldn't think it would, but it can. But let's see what happens here. Folks, stay with us to the end of the video. We're going to do an interview with the pilot, pilot and builder. At least to get an understanding of the two aircraft, how he put them together. I just think that is so cool. Doesn't look too badly damaged. Looks like it's largely just the engine on the right fuselage, as far as I can tell. But we'll get a better view of it once he comes back in. Not too bad, folks. Looks like it's just a landing gear in the motor box, and that's about it. Easily repaired. Folks, continue our coverage here of this amazing airplane called the Yaky Yak. We have the pilot and builder. Sir, what's your name?
My name's Steve Canada.
Steve, where are you from?
I'm from this area, Virginia.
No, Fredericksburg, Virginia. All right. Sure. So we have got what is hands down one of the most unique 3D airplanes I've ever seen. I know you had a crash, but it happens. But putting that aside, tell us about the planes. Who makes each plane?
They're SD models. Back in the day, they called them the TOC company, or the tournament champions. They're 33% Yaks, and I took the counterbalance off the elevators and made it the two center elevators together, and that's how I got the width. And then I just cut the wings off in the table saw and joined them together, and it has a carbon fiber wing tube all the way through the two fuselages in the front, and in the rear it has an aluminum wing tube joining all the way across.
So I'm looking here now, I notice that you've got this large gap in the ailerons and in the elevator. Now why is that?
Okay, at one time this aircraft also was sporting a turbine, a 120 turbine underneath it there. And that was where the tube went down the center for the exhaust for the turbine.
Oh, I see.
The aircraft was too heavy and really uncontrollable, and I took the turbine back out because it flies a lot better without the turbine.
Well, she sounded great in the air. It looked like she was a great flyer, too.
It was okay. I'm having trouble with running the smoke and doing a snap roll. When I do the snap roll, it's making the engines die. The smoke's getting into the engine and killing the engines. So that time, both engines died.
That's good.
I pointed it down and headed for the field, but I had a tailwind, and it just took all my lift away, and I ended up in the beans.
I see. Well, so, you got a great airplane there, my friend. A fantastic flyer.
And you'll see it fly again. It's
awesome.
Just a motor box on this one and one landing gear, and the rest of it's not damaged.
Oh, well, that's good.
Props and a new motor box, and we're flying again.
Awesome. Well, fantastic. Well, Steve, thank you so much for sharing this with us, and I do appreciate it.
Have a good day.
All right, now. All right, friends. More to come.